Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't done so yet, hit the like, subscribe, share button down there in the corner on YouTube to stay up to date and in the know with the latest marine tip, techs, and trends, and a new episode of Sundays with Sully most Sundays at 10 a.m. All right, guys, so what are we talking about this week? Well, according to social media and all the posts and everything I'm seeing, it must be year-end. I've seen 100 different Spotify raps and all those other things. So I said, you know what? I'm going to phone one in for this week's Sundays with Sully as well. And we're going to do our own little wrap of what's been going on this year at Navtronics. So I tried digging through the videos, started to highlight some of the things we've done. And we've done a lot of cool projects here. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. But before we dig into those videos, I want to say a huge thank you to all of our techs here in-house that bring our projects to life. Without them, none of this was going to be possible. I also want to thank all of the brokers who trust us with their clients to bring those dreams to life for them as well. And last but certainly not least, all of our vendors who have helped us out through all of these times as we've gone post-COVID and trying to get product in-house and get projects delivered on time so people can enjoy their time on the water. All right, so that's out of the way. Let's go to the highlight reel for the year here. Like I said, guys, we did a ton of Confident Helm programs up and down the East Coast for these things. We've also done Seakeeper installs, like this Seakeeper 1 on the Boston Whaler here. Now, at this point in time, I think everybody's familiar with Seakeeper and how dramatic the roll reduction is. But here's just another quick little highlight reel video of what we have done there, getting that roll reduction on that boat. And of course, now the next thing you got to see, guys, is, you know, we've done a ton of lighting. This is a back cove we did for Boston Yachts. And then we had the Woods Yachts here on this Furuno package on this Southport 33 DC that we went down, got on board with Furuno, and dialed the boat all in for the client to get them for success. And of course, we can't forget about the Foil Cat, guys. That has been a phenomenal project to be a part of, as that vision is brought to life by Todd and his team. And of course, more lighting, but this is highlighting something that we're really starting to dig in on, guys, and that is repowers. So as these motors get older, it's time for, the boats are great, but it's time for new motors. So we're working on doing more and more of these, whether that means Merc V10 repowers, whether that means, you know, whatever power you want. You want to do Yamaha, we are able to do that in-house with our incredibly talented crew. So that's what we've got going on. And then speaking of year-end here, as I go ahead and bring up our email, YouTube gives us year-end results about all you guys. So I don't pay that close attention to analytics, but I don't know, these sounded kind of impressive to me. We had 68,000 views this year onto our channel from you guys. We had over 175,000 minutes watched. We got over 800 subscribers. You guys have been adding in more and more monthly. We thank you guys for that as we continue to build. It's going to allow us to do even bigger and better and cooler YouTube projects to showcase for you guys. So maybe you guys want to see some more different projects. Let us know down below. Do you like seeing the day-to-day build projects, or would you rather have that lumped in at one at the end and have a little 20, 30-minute video where we catalog everything getting done throughout the whole build? Let us know. We're here to cater to you guys. We want the views. I'm shameless in that way, right? So that's it. That's this week's Sundays with Sully. Next 2 weeks are holidays, so I don't think I'm going to have anything for you guys. After that, I think we're hitting the ground running. We're going to be with North Country Boat Works. We're going to be talking Permatique as they do an install for Barton and Gray. I know I've got a field trip lined up with KVH. I've got another one lined up with Siren Marine. Then we're going to be rolling into the Miami Boat Show. We're going to have some new motors rolling out, I think, from Yamaha. So we got a whole lot of cool stuff coming down the pipeline, guys. And yeah. That's all I got. I'm going to eat my popcorn from Garmin, and we'll see you guys next year. Peace.